Hi there, watch what happens when you add too many I can't do it without. Watch what happens when you add too many fixings into these slimes.
For this slime, I'm going to add too many confettis. We have red and pink, blue and some light blue, and green. They're definitely crunchy. They're not like the little stars, so the stars in the last too much was like super pokey on my hands. This one is not painful, but it definitely has made the slime really tough. Kind of looks like a pinwheel. If you remember this slime from my review, this is from Sparkle Hearts. It's Diamonds is a Girl's Best Friend. And in this one, I'm going to be adding too many charms. And we're gonna put them all in and see how this turns out. I definitely say that the charms are not easy to work the slime very well, but it is cute. You can do a drizzle and you catch all kinds of little fun things as it comes down. It doesn't sit well in your hand, but I think it looks really pretty. If you haven't seen my slime review video, you should check that out. These guys already have some stickiness to them. It'll definitely be interesting to see how this turns out. It's a really wet slime. It's a pretty slime, look at that. Definitely working in all the crunches. It's like a real festive, fun looking slime. I think we should add some more. Let's see what I can find. Okay, so I'm going to add some more green, red, orange, and blue and go from there. Some of them are a little more drier than others. Let's see what happens. Definitely getting harder to work it through. The pastels and like the more vibrant colors are looking really, really pretty. Definitely have added quite a few in here because it's not as sticky and together. It's a crunchy slime. These I purchased off of eBay. These are like store-bought slime. I'm going to go ahead and use this into my clear slime. They feel nice. This one has sparkles in it. This one looks a little cloudy for some reason. This one's got sparkles in it too. There we go. Okay, here we go. This is pretty. That was a nice pop. It actually didn't make the slime completely like break apart, which I'm really surprised about. It's pretty, but I don't think it's gonna last pretty for very long. It's like really hard to move and twist. Yep, there it is. That's that. I have purple slime here and I'm going to be adding these perler beads. These guys roll everywhere. Working in nicely. It's a nice pop. Those at least sound really good. I can't say these feel awesome on the hands, but I do think that because they have these little holes in them, that they allow more air in, so they give some nice pops and crunches. This one's neat too. If you guys have perler beads at home, you could do this, and then you could still save your puller beads, you could just put them in a bowl of water and the slime will dissolve. Still use them for projects or for your next slime. For this one, I'm going to start with this clear slime, though I don't feel it's super sticky, so I'm going to use that, and I have this really soupy old slime. So I'm gonna dump it over and make it sticky. This is gonna be super gooey. This is almost like pure glue into this guy. And then I'm gonna add foam beads. That's a lot of foam beads. Got these little pearl beads. And then these guys, definitely a mess. Here we go. Oh my goodness, look how sticky this is, but it's actually turning out really nice. So it's kind of got this like weird, like white, transparent look to it. It's pretty neat. Okay, here we go. I'm going to add a little bit more of these guys. That was a nice bubble. Definitely getting hard, but it's not breaking. I have to say, out of all of them so far, this one actually is turned out my favorite. Let me know which one's your favorite on the comment below. I read everything, so I definitely want to hear what you have to say. And if you have any ideas for what to add into too much slime, please let me know so I can possibly do it on a next video. This one's really great. This one, like I said, definitely is my favorite.